A level 4 Arizona Study Program student needs to be able to write out a cadence that goes 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Let's use this example of an E flat key signature. The first step that I want my students to do is to write out the notes of the scale. This will assist them in filling in these blanks for their root position triads. So I've already written out the 8 notes of the E flat major scale. If the student doesn't already automatically know these notes, they can use their keyboard during a test and plot the notes using whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So here are the 8 notes of the scale. Originally these spaces were all blank, but I've already filled them in for you. The 1 chord or tonic triad note begins with an E flat. The root is E flat, so E flat goes in the first space. And the remaining notes of the triad are G and B flat. The 4th scale degree, or 4th note of this scale, is an A flat. So the 4 or subdominant triad is spelled A flat, C, E flat. The 5th note of this scale is a B flat. So our dominant triad is spelled B flat, D, F. Now we need to put these triads up into the cadence. So the first triad that we need to put in, which always stays in root position, is the 1 triad. E flat, G, B flat. Notice that I didn't write any accidentals, meaning flats or sharps, in front of these 3 notes because the key signature is already telling us which notes need to be flatted. Next, I need to put in the 4 chord. Before I put these in, I need to find the common tone between the 1 and the 4 chord. The common tone is the E flat, so I'm going to write in the E flat first. The other 2 notes are C and A flat. So these 2 notes, in order to put these on the staff, I need to simply move a step from these other 2 notes. A step meaning from a line to a space or a space to a line. Now I need to come back to the 1 chord, which, as I said before, is always in root position. Now the 5 chord, or dominant, is not going to be in root position. I need to compare it to the 1 chord since we're moving from 1 to 5. The common tone between the 1 and the 5 is the B flat. So I need to put the B flat in here first. The other 2 notes are D and F. Notice that these 2 notes also take a step from these notes that were in the 1 chord. And then again we end on the 1 chord, which is always in root position.